听哈，So everybody，虽然说很早醒很累，老师也是很累。I slept at 4 last night. Okay, for Form 4 students, this one because due to the net your exam is examination, so you will have paper 1 and paper 2. I'm not sure whether your teacher will put this chapter in paper 1 or not, but for sure this chapter will come out in paper 2 section C, because there's a rule that in paper 2 section C, 20 marks, there are 4 questions, you choose 2, but I don't think your teacher will let you choose. Basically it's only about Form 4 chapter 9 chapter 10, but you haven't learned Form 4 chapter 9. That's why you will have 2 questions about this chapter. If you can do this, then you can get at least 20 marks over 180 marks. And for Form 5, this question will come out in paper 2. Form 5 definitely it won't come out in paper 1 anymore lah. Okay, so this chapter is very easy. There's only 2 formulas. 只有2个 formula 罢了. The first one is known as index number, or the so-called price index. And the second one is the composite index. So when you are small, you learn about composite volume. Composite means join everything together. 把所有的东西都连在一起. That one is known as composite. Okay, so let's write down the formula just in case you need this. Price index, or the so-called index number, it will be I. We use I, maybe 2023 based on 2022. 2023年 based on 2022年, so which means 2022 is the base year. Is equals to the price. Some teacher will use Q, some teacher will use P. 2023 over P 2022 multiplied by 100. No percentage, no percentage, and then you will get the answer. Okay, if it is more than 100, then it means the price increases. If it is less than 100, then it means the price decreases. For example, 105. 105, 105, it means it increased, the price increased by 5%. The price increased by 5%. But if my I is 95 only, 95 from 100 drop to 95, it means the price decreases by 5%. Okay, 就是这样. The next thing is we will have the so-called. Okay, let's still talk about this. This one actually can be separated into 2 parts. 你们有讨厌我吗？ Holiday 要上课。This is the most difficult part. Okay, P 2021. P 2021. This year, you depends on the questions. Really, Lucas, give me a love. Let me find my friend. OK， 我只能send一个我在教书的照片给他看。Yeah, confirm come out. Usually it will. 哎呦，乖了，一边去旅行一边听我的话，老师太感动了，老师没有这样感动过。另外一个是 composite index。我是send给一个学生，跟他讲我已经开始教书了。Summation 它是总共加起来它的total of I W. What is I? This is I. over summation of W. W stands for weightage. 它有几个 percent? Okay, I'm not sure whether in pre-form 4 did I use the example for bubble tea. 我有用这个珍珠奶茶的故事吗？有吗？有用珍珠奶茶故事跟你们讲吗 ？Bubble tea pre-form 4 pre-form 4. Not you all lah, man. I got okay the story of that one. Okay. So we will know the weightage is the sugar, the ice, the milk tea, the boba, and so on. 这个是叫做我的 weightage，它用了多少的 percentage？人家讲它的钱是多少啦？是 MS 总分180分，这个 chapter 有20分，这个 chapter 有20分。Okay, so this is what you want. Okay, let's see these questions. I think I prepared 8 questions for you, but I don't think I can finish everything because my friend will wait for me at 11:30. Look at question 1. The table shows the price and the price indices for commodities A, B, C, D, and this is the so-called weightage. The first question I thought about weightage. Weightage, then we need to use composite index, 全部掺在一起的 index So 它的 weightage 是这一边 This is the value. Okay? So this will be what we have. Price index in the year 2017 based on 2014. 请问我的简有进来吗？因为我不知道。没有哦 somebody 要找他一下吗？因为他说他不会看这个。This is the price index in 2017 based on 2014. This is how we read. 我们是这样读的。OK 吗？我们是这样读的哈。So let's go. The first part of the question, find the value of P, Q, and R. You see this one. So we should take the price in 2017 based on the price in 2014 multiply by 100. 你 fill 进去 and then find the unknown. Okay, you fill inside and then you find the unknown. Okay 吗？ So let's go. 你看，老师昨天细心为大家准备的。You see, I do my work yesterday. Not like you all sleep at home. Look at P. If I want to find P, 30 over 24 multiply by 100. You can no need to write later. I can post this in our Facebook group because I think found no problem. But of course, if you want to write, you can, but I don't think I will stop down and wait for you. P is equal to the price in 2017 over the price in 2014. Tolong tulis nice, tulis bye-bye Tell your teacher what you are doing Multiply by 100. P equals to 125. See, every time when you want to calculate the next thing, you draw a line. Let's look at Q. Let's find Q because the question asks for PQR. Jane 我在第一题罢了。Q is for commodity B, 它是 for B 的。So it will be Q over 40 multiplied by 100 equals to 120. Okay, after that, nothing about MX. Go back to your max in Form 1 to find the value of Q. Okay, ma'am? Q over 40 multiplied by 120. A multiplied by 100 equals to 120. How to cancel? The one that is far away from the unknown, we cancel it first. 好像开洋葱这样的，最里面的越靠近 Q 的越不要动它，所以这个乘100 ，Oh my god. 乘100先把它搬走，变成除100。Just in case lah, because this is a refreshment for you. If you know, you can straight away write the answer. Q over 40 equals to 120 over 100. 你这样写了过后，你可以 cross multiply 打叉成100 multiplied by Q equals to 40 multiplied by 120. For those who don't know, 不会的人, of course, for those who know, then you should know the answer. This is equals to 120 over 100 multiplied by 40. Again, you don't have to write this out. You just need to write the value. Q equals to 48. Thank you. I believe you, huh, Ama? You don't blame me, huh? Because I don't have answer. I believe myself one. And for R is for commodity C. 18 over R multiplied by 100 equals to 90. 18除以 R 乘100等于90。R equals to 20, thank you. So this is 18 over R equals to 90 over 100. 这个你不会的人，你 cross multiply 哈，有 cross multiply 哈。R will be equals to 18 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. Again, if you know how to do, you don't have to calculate everything. You just need to give the final answer. 1 mark, 1 mark, and 1 mark. 这个跑不掉的。Final answer 1 mark, 1 mark, and 1 mark. With the condition, you need to write out these three. If you just give the answer without telling your teacher where the value comes from, you will still get 0 marks. That's why I say steps are very important. Okay, so remember this. This one you have to write. 你要写的. Okay, huh? So this is part 1. Part 2. Look at the question. Who haven't got the PDF yet? Siapa belum ada PDF? I send again in our group. Yung ha, semua orang ada ha? I got print one for myself. Calculate the composite index for the commodities in the year 2017 based on the year 2014. 2017年 based on 2014年 based on. So they want composite index. Remember, composite index is I bar. 全部 join 起来的，冚唪唥 join 起来的 equals to summation of IW over summation of W. Then they ask for 2017 based on 2014, you need to use the I. 你的 I 要是2017 based on 2014的。Check the years. The years play important roles. Okay? So now, we need to use this, the so-called weightage. We need to use the weightage. 来，我再提醒一次哈 Form 4 students 啊 you will get at least 20 marks out of 180 marks. So 你多龙听一下哈 if you can get this all correct, then you will get 2 digits already, which means you will get 11 marks in whole paper. For part B, we need to draw out a coffee. Yes. We need to draw a table, or if you do not want to, but I still need to tell you your exam. In exam, your teacher still want to see the formula, the way you calculate. So which means even though you draw out the table, you still need to write the solution. 这个是 Malaysia 的 law, I cannot help you. 不是 formula, I mean the calculation. A, B, C, D, one more. I'm drawing this to help you all. so that you can see it clearly. 你可以看得比较清楚。This is commodity A, B, C, D, and we only need this price index. 我们只是需要 price index 罢了哈。So B 120, 90, 115. B 120, 90, 115. Can anyone tell me what is my B? What is the value of B? In part A, we know the value of B. 在 part A, 我已经知道 B 的 value 是多少了。Part A, B equals to 125. In other words, if part A salah, semua salah. 全部就错到完了。So you have to be very careful. This is 125. Okay, the weightage. See here, 看这边。For commodity A, this value, this is the bar chart. 它的 bar chart 在这边。So we read this value, 12, 12. For commodity B, 14. For commodity C, 10. For commodity D, 4. 12, 14, 10, and 4. Correct me if I am wrong. This symbol shows summation. Summation 是兜兜的意思。Summation 是兜兜的意思。What I want? I want to know the summation of W. 我要知道 W 的兜兜。12 plus 14 plus 10 plus 4 equals to 40. Okay, with this only you can calculate. 你才能算哈。So the composite index in the year 2017 based on 2014 is equals to, this line is compulsory because without this line, your final answer will not give you any marks. And this line is super duper long, 很长的。I 乘 W, 125 multiplied by 12 plus 120 multiplied by 14. 谁不知道我讲什么 You better stop me to repeat again. C 是90 multiplied by 10. D is 115 multiplied by 4. Over summation of W, 12 plus 14 plus 10 plus 4. And you can straight away give your final answer. 可以直接给 final answer. 上面算上面，下面算下面哈。Separately, you calculate and then only you divide. But if you want to play safe, you can calculate separately. Then only you. This line not compulsory. The final answer in decimal point. Which means I need this, I need this to get 3 marks. 我要这个跟这个。Are you okay? Okay, good. Next. 难道Form 4的人在睡觉？无人关爱。And then there will be someone saying, hi. I already know. Question C. 看回去 question C. This one. You have to know how to read. 你要会读这一个。From the year 2017 to the year 2021. Just now we based on 2014 and 2007. 刚才我们是用2017年跟2014年做比较 comparison between 2017 and 2014, right? Now I add on one, 2021. Okay? The price of commodity B increased by 30%. This sentence 你写不出你就不能做了。For those who never joined my pre-form 4 class or maybe you lost your memories, then you try to recall and then you do your revision. Make sure you know this to do how to do this chapter. 2007 to 2021, 2017年是2021年. How we write? The price only, 2021 based on 2017. Increase by 30% 是130. Increase by 30% is 130. After that, the price of commodity D, oh, sorry, your teacher forget to write. This is for B, so we bracket B so that you know and your teacher also understand. This is the correct way of writing. 不是我自己发明的，我不是发明家。Commodity D dropped by 10%. From this line, I can write the price in 2021 based on 2017 for D is 90. Drop 10%. 下降 10% 是它少掉 10% 的意思。Okay, for those who don't have the PDF, I send this again. So sorry lah for those who joined earlier. Maybe in this 1.5 hours you will receive many times because I cannot remember just now who is here and then who is not here, ma. While the price of commodity A and C remain unchanged. Remain unchanged means 100%保持不变. So from here, I can write out 2021 based on 2017 for A is 100. Of course, writing this down out, no marks, 没有分的. But without this, you cannot do. 2017 based on, 2021 based on 2017. For C is also equals to 100. Follow me, Concern, Concern, Okay, Okay, I continue, Calculate the composite index in the year 2021 based on the year 2014. 我要你找的是2021年 based on 2014年的 composite index. What I want is this. 2021 based on 2014 equals to 1. Composite. How? Cry 啦 teacher, how means cry 吗？怎样？怎么办？怎么办？ What to do? So listen here. If the index number they are different, 它不一样的 then you have to calculate the index, the price index for 2021 based on 2014 for A, B, C, and D. 全部要算过。Recalculate everything. 早安，老师讲完半个小时了，第一题要完了。Okay, let's look at C. Part C. For A, in 2021 based on 2014 for A is A 是多少 Don't know. It's 100. Okay, it's 100 based on 2017. Sorry, I write it wrongly. 2017 is 100. This is from the question. This is from the question. 在这边来的，这个来的。But what I want is 小浩，我有 send PDF 吗？我 send 给你。What I want is I 2021 based on 2014 for A equals to what? 看这边 this is the difficult part, everybody. 这个是这一个 chapter 最难的地方了，没有比这个更难了。I 2021 based on 2014 is the price in 2021 over the price in life is difficult 2014 multiplied by 100. This is the explanation. Of course, not every time you need to write like this. 不用每一次都这么写的。This is the most difficult part already. Okay, another year, 2017. We substitute this in. Okay? 2021 based on 2017. Look at this one. From here, 乘这边来哈. This one you no need to write unless you want to. I mean, if you do not want to write, it's definitely okay. P2021 over P2017 multiplied by 100 equals to 100. That's why I have the price in 2021 over the price in 2017 equals to 100 over 100. 我的 method 是安全的方法的，虽然 it looks stupid, but this is the safest way. Everything you write out clearly, then you won't make mistake because I don't encourage shortcut. Multiply by for commodity A, 在 commodity A 的2017 based on 2014. Look back to your question. This is what you have. This is B. Okay, this is what we want, B. So I'm going to use another color. Jolene 可以，可是呢，通常你写这样，因为我要写这样是 for 全部，因为不是全部都可以变成很美的号码的。This is B your B is 125. 我是在 explain So P2017 over the price of commodity A in 2014 multiplied by 100 equals to 125. That's why I have the price in 2017 based on the price in 2014 equals to 125 over 100. This is exactly what I want. So I substitute this inside. 再来乘100 and you will get your final answer. What will you get? 你会得到什么? This one got marked. You will get 125. This is compulsory to have for A, B, C, and D. 你要写出来全部。 And of course, this one, if you do not want to write out, is okay. But if you don't know how to do, you go like this. I will help you again with B. Okay, I will help you again with B and donkey. But for those who are okay, you wait for a while, huh? Sorry, huh? Because I have to check with everybody. 来，刚才听不懂的人 if you don't understand just now, you listen again, you re-listen again. But wait. I need energy. 看回去我的题目。Look back, look at my question. Pink color highlight. Pink color highlight. From the year 2017 to 2021, the price of commodity B increased by 30%. 从2017去到2021，它起了30%. So 2021 based on 2017 for B is 130. Why? Because increased by 30%. 我在讲这个是最难的哈，你不要开这，然后你没有在听，你在咬脚吃早餐哈。Write this out first. 2021 based on 2017 for B. 2021 based on 2017 for B equals to 130. From this one, you can actually write out the price of commodity B in 2021 over the price of commodity in 2017 multiplied by 100 equals to 130. 可以吗？再来 2021 based on 2017 Sorry, 有一点难看我的字，因为我还没有心。Equals to 130 over 100. This is to help you to calculate later. 2021 based on 2017, we settle halfway. Now, look at the question for commodity B 这边。The price index in 2007 based on 2014. 在2017年 based on 2014年 for B 的 the answer is 120. Okay, the price index is 120. So we write out the same thing again. Although it looks the same, but the years are different, then it means the meaning will be different. For B is 120. So the price in 2017 over the price in 2014 multiplied by 100 equals to 120. So 我的2017年 based on 2014年 is equals to 120 over 100. 子俊我还在第一题哈。Come back. What is my question? What I want? I want to find 2021 based on 2014. 我要找2021年 based on 2014年。The index number in 2021 based on 2014 for B. For B only. This will be equals to the price of commodity B in 2021 over the price of commodity in 2014 multiplied by 100. And we separate this out. 我把这个拆开。From the information that I have, which year should I fill in? 这边我要填什么东西？ I have 2017 and 2017. You write. Don't forget to multiply by 100. This is the family. This is the family. 这个是家人罢了哈。 you multiply by 100, you don't hungry and eat my multiply by 100. Okay. So I have 130 over 100 multiply by 120 over 100. When you use a calculator, please be very, very careful. Multiply by 100. 我跟你说过了 fraction bracket bracket. When you use a calculator, if you are not using this calculator, no problem. If you use the old one, which I really don't have, you bracket 130 over 100 close, multiply by 120 over 100 close, multiply by 100, only you press the equal sign. 这个年头当老师，连 calculator 都要教怎样按。What is the answer? You get 156. You get 156. 可以 Good, Now let's go for item C. Actually, commodity C and commodity B, and A, they are the same. Why? Because they remain unchanged. Come back to my question again. 可以来看题目。The price of commodity C remain unchanged from 2017 to 2021. 2017年去2021年，我的 C 的价钱没有变。Remember, your years have to be correct. 2021 based on 2017 for item C is 100. Now, if you are okay, you can straight away write down this 2021 over 2017 is equals to 100 over 100. If you still cannot, you do like B, 做好像 B 这样 item B 这样refer to item B because I cannot waste time. I have already spent 44 minutes. From my question, in 2017 and 2014, this one. For C, I know that the value equals to 90. The value is equals to 90. 它是90. That's why we can write, if you are okay already, 你 actually 可以抓到它的 pattern 了的。You can catch a pattern, right? Is equals to 90 over 100. Okay? What the question one? The question one, the index, the price index in 2021 based on 2014. 2021年 based on 2014年. So we have P2021 over P2014 multiplied by 100. 2021 over 2014, we separate it out, 把它拆开. Here we write 2017, Usually we only play with 3 years. Multiply by 100. What we have? 2021 over 2017, 100 over 100, 100 over 100. Although it looks stupid, but this is the safest way. Like what my teacher say. 把老师当成是一个笨蛋，考试的时候跟他讲全部。Tell your teacher everything, step by step, how to do. What you get? You will get 90 also, if I'm not wrong. Yes. You will get 90. Later, I will upload this in our Facebook group. And then if you are not in my MS group and you wish to get that, then you text me. 你 personally 找我，如果你没有在那个 Facebook group 里面，但你想要这个东西，OK 啊？But of course, later I go out, I cannot guarantee that I will reply you on the spot lah. For item D. Nah, 不要画这个，画这样的。等啦，人家问电话号码嘛。Item D from 2017 to 2021, the price of item D dropped by 10%. Drop by 10%, decrease 10%. So from 100, decrease 10%, we left with 90 only. 剩90罢了。OK? 剩90罢了。2021 based on 2017 for item D is 90. So if you are okay, 2021 based on 2017 will be equals to 90 over 100. 回去我的题目 after that. What about 2017 and 2014嘞？2017年 based on 2014年又怎样嘞？I know you feel how come this question so long. Yeah, this is maths, no shortcut. 回去，哎，cannot 回去。Item D, 2017 based on 2014. 2017年 based on 2014年 the value is 150. The value is 150. You need to know how to see the value. 你不会看题目，你就完蛋了。B 2017 over B 2014 is equals to 115 over 100. Okay? So now what we want? 我们要什么东西？ I want the price index or the so-called index number in 2021 based on 2014 for item D. So 这一个 if you're okay, you don't have to write out anymore. If you are not okay, you write out. 不用紧的，你的老师不会笑你的，反而你的老师会感动落泪。可能呢，他的老婆啊，还是他的老公要买 toilet paper 给他，还是 tissue paper 的，将他脸破掉，因为他改了，他觉得很感动，他的学生会做。来，this one, fill in 90 over 100. 115 over 100 multiply by 100. Can I know the answer? Because I lazy to calculate. 103.5. Sonia, no one tell me the answer. Okay, huh? And now, finally, we can calculate the composite index. Finally, we can calculate the composite index. I in 2021 based on 2014. I bar 看回去我的题目 what they want purple color. Calculate the composite index in the year 2021 based on the year 2014. Okay, this is what I want. 2021 based on 2014, which means I want this. Formula for composite index, you cannot run away. Summation of IW over summation of W. So now this table, I need this again. I need this thing again. But of course, this will be changed. What is the value of A? Because we depends on the year. 这个是它的 price index in 2021 based on 2004, which we has been work hard for. 我们算到半死的 For C is 90, for D is 103.5. A and B leh? Sorry. A is 125, B is 156. The weightage never change. 没有换 weightage. Okay, and you multiply everything. 125 multiplied by 12 plus 156 multiplied by 14 plus 90 multiplied by 10 plus 103.5 multiplied by 4. This line is compulsory, huh? Then what you get? $4,998. Eh? No 嘞 Lucas 你算过一次，我的答案对嘞。4,998 over 40. Again, this line not compulsory, but if you want to play safe, you write everything. Your final answer is 124.95. Here you go. Let me remind you again, in exam, you do this question first. 找 index number 做先 tolong. If you don't know how to do until this part, you do at least what you know. 把你会做的都做起来。Okay, 1 minute for refreshment. Don't waste our time. Continue with the third question. The table 3 shows the price indices of 4 components A, B, C, D used in manufacturing and equipment. So I want to do something. Then I need component A, B, C, D. 我需要 A, B, C, D 这4个东西 join 起来，我才能变成我要的东西。Okay? After that, you read this. The price index in the year 2016 based on 2014. You should be able to tell me, teacher, I know, this is this. 老师，我会写是这个 equals to blah, blah, blah. For A equals to 135, for B equals to 120, for C equals to 115, and for D equals to 140. OK? 来，不要再去like别人的照片了。老师已经看到你们的 Facebook 啊、Insta 哈，very active 了哈。老师在讲老师的，你们在那边 add。Now, listen here，这个哈，the change in the price from the year 2016 to 2018。2016年去2018年 ，what happened? So I can write this out. 2018 based on 2016. 2018年 based on 2016年 increase by 30%. You must tell teacher this is 130. Decrease by 5% from 100%减少5% minus 5%. We have 95%. Remains unchanged. tak berubah. 没有改变 100. Increase by 10%. 本来100 increase 10. It become 110. And this is the weightage. Sometimes the weightage will be given in like in question 2. Then it will be in a pie chart. Or it might be in bar chart like question 1. Or it might be in ratio. Okay, ratio 你就不需要紧张. As long as later you remember to add up everything. Okay, man? So this is what we have. And if it is possible, I will suggest you to draw this out in a table. But if you are, I know that you are lazy. You all got 懒惰虫，你是懒惰虫，你是懒惰虫，就连医生都是虫。Part A. Find the price of component A in 2014. If its price in 2016 is 108. 你要会读，我要的是 price, not index number. What I want is P, okay, of component A in 2016是多少？哎，sorry, in 2014, 2014年它的价钱是多少？If its price in 2016 equals to 108 ringgit. So A part 1, I think I need to write it here. If not, later I tak cukup tempat. The price of item A in 2016 is 108 ringgit. Then the index number 2016 and 2014. Check how 你的年份哈。For A is 135. For A is 135. So we write out this. 2016 based on 2014 for component A is 135. So the price in 2016 over the price in 2014 multiplied by 100 equals to 135. 看好好哈 See properly ha. The price in 2016 is 108. Jason 有在吗？因为 Jason 每次做这个就晕。还有晕吗？这个 slowly if you don't know. If you are okay, you can straight away get the answer. Slowly, 135 over 100. Every time also move the multiply by 100 to another side. After that, cross multiply. 打叉乘，打叉乘。请猜了 I write for you one time. Offer. Edric 有没有在？ So B 2014 for component A will be equals to 108 multiplied by 100 over 135. 因为这个是它乘它，所以就除下去。你听得懂我在讲什么吗 Edric？ OK， 你 try 啊 ，try 啊。Remember, this is the price, everybody. Remember to write unit. Okay, remember to write unit. This is step by step. Exam after this line, this one, this is compulsory. 这个 compulsory, you can straight away give the answer. This is A part 1. A part 2. Go back to the question. 回去题目. Find the price of component C in 2016. Sorry. 我要 the price. So 我要 B in 2016 for component C equals to what? If the price in 2014 for component C is 54 ringgit. 然后看回去上面 2016 based on 2014 for component C is 115. Check 好你的年份 Go back to this. 哎，原来不能写了，尴尬。 This is my practice every time. Every time I also do like this. So that I know what I want. 他要我算的是什么? Or I want to know the price of component C in 2016. If you make this as a practice, maybe at first you will feel difficult, but believe me, at last, it will make your life easier. 我走过那个难走的路，所以我告诉你们，容易走的路 so that you don't have to go and struggle. 看这边 2016 over 2014 is 150, 1115. So the price in 2016 over the price in 2014. If you are okay now, you can straight away write 54 ringgit multiplied by 100 equals to 115. And then you can straight away to give me the answer. But for those who are not okay, let me help you. After that, you find P2016. Of course, this one not compulsory. Later, I will put a tick for you which one you have to write, which one you don't have to write. Multiply by 54. Can I know the answer? Still 12块1 啊? Okay, thank you. This is the price, 62 ringgit and 10 cents. What you should write? You should write this, and this only. 这三个罢了. This calculation is to help those students whose basic is not good. Let's look at part B. You see, part B need to calculate so many things. 我刚才不是才解释咩？这个是因为我把这个变成一个 practice。你到以后你去到 Form 6大学，什么东西都好，你不会辛苦。哪一个？这个有勾的一定要写，有勾的一定要写。你现在写啦。Oh, by the way, I have one student, when they do kesalahan ejaan, for example, dari salah change to daripada mah. And then in his last exam, he only write the correct answer. He never write the wrong one. The teacher gave him 0 mark. He know already, and he continue this practice. Look at what I see you. Okay, do part B. By finding the price index for each component in 2018 based on 2014. This is what I want. 这个是我要的。2018 based on 2014 for each item, for A, for B, for C, and for D. Okay, which means this is same as our first question, part C, the very, very long part, 那个很长的那一个 part. After that, only we find the composite index. Later on, only we find the composite index in 2018 based on 2014. 我要知道 A, B, C, D, 2018 based on 2014. So for this question, I will go faster. Why I choose to do this just because of this. Just because of this. That's why I need to do this with you. But B, let me see. Tak ada tempat. Cannot. Let me add a page. Wait, I just copy first ni. Relax. This is, I still don't need this yet. 我知道有人要讲我了，整天 copy。 This is my question. So let's go. The first one. I 2018 based on 2014 for component A is equals to the price of component A in 2018 based on the price of component A in 2014 multiplied by 100. This one I can separate this out. 我要把它拆开我才能做. Of course, if you see 4 marks, your life is not so easy. Multiply by 100. Which year to fill in, my dear friend? 亲爱的各位，哪一年要 fill in? I have 2014, 2018, and another year is what? 还有一年, the bridge that connects 2014 and 2018 together is which year? 2016. Very good. So we write 2016. Can I go faster? Or I think I should do this for A for you. A for you. 2018 over 2016. 2018 over 2016, this one. Correct? This is 130. Okay, I do A for you and then B, C, D, I will leave it to you, huh? From So I will have B 2018 over B 2016 multiplied by 100 equals 130. Now I want to go shortcut equals to 130 over 100. I think you are okay with this already because if you still cannot, refer to first question part C. Sorry, I need to go back my question. For part A, 2016 based on 2014 for A is 135. 我写什么？等一下，Jolin，等一下，你错了哈。So can I fill in the blanks? Yes. 135 over 100 multiplied by 100. Okay, and tell me the answer. Sorry, I need two more. The answer 什么？1.3乘1.35乘100 175.5. Okay, and then now, if you're okay, can you try to do B for me while I explain the question again? 来，Jolin，你刚才说16 over 100，你看这边 change in the price from 2016 to 2018 from 2016 to 2018，它是拿2016年换去2018年，所以是我是看2018年 based on 2016年。So you should write 2018 based on 2016. 你的这个多边你就错到完了。虽然说你的答案是对的。Understand? Hello? For B, I go 120 and 95. 95, 95. So this I will have 95 over 100. And then 120 over 100 multiplied by 100. I get 114. You follow everything, then you will get the answer nicely. For C, you will get the answer as 115. You will get the answer 115. And for D, you will get 154. How to find these two values? Refer to these two. They help refer to this. 再不会看回去question 1 but C. Still don't know? Find me. Now, let's look at this one. I can fill in this. Components. This is my index number from 2018 based on 2014. The value will be the value that we calculate just now. These 4 values. 我要用的是这个4个哈。我不是太有型哈 calculate for fun 哈。175.5. 114, 115, 154. What is my weightage? Let's check the weightage. 看回去 weightage. A, B, C, D. 3, 2, 9, and 6. 3, 2, 9, and 6. 3, 2, 9, and 6. 你把这个加起来，3加 should be 20啦。哎呦，这个世界上有这样聪明的人的。对不起。2018 based on 2014. Manisha 有冰山啊？Oh, I know you're busy calculating. Watching only. Anger. I know that because later you will do. Okay. Can I have your answer, please? You're very quiet, I know already. This is 2,713.5 over 20. Your answer is 135.675. Very good. Okay, 很好. So I guess you are doing well. Can we see part C before I end? If the selling price for the equipment is the composite 的哈 the whole thing 哈整个东西哈 in year 2014 is 15,000. Find its price in 2018. So we need to compare between 2014 and 2018, which means I need to use the information from part B. In other words, part B is wrong, part C you will get it wrong as well. Composite index is still index number. Since I have The composite index in 2018 based on 2014 is equals to 135.675. So it will be the price of the equipment in 2018 over the price of the equipment in 2014 multiply by 100, give me 135.675. The price in 2018, I don't know. This is the requirement. 题目要的. But they tell me that the price of the equipment in 2014 is 15,000. Multiply by 100. So you will get the answer. Do I need to help you? This one multiplied by 100 will become divided by 100. Divide move will become multiplied by 15,000. 乘变除，除变乘。Sorry. What is the answer? This is price. Remember to have unit. 2,000. Okay, this is price, 2 decimal point enough, 0.52. 0.25, sorry. I hope I actually help you a little bit today. I hope that I help you today. What do you think? No or yes? Okay, good. A big yes. Then I will be happy. Can I take some of your time to do the next question? You should change to Sastra. Alright, why I want to do this is because the ratio. It's because of the ratio. So I will not help you with part A. I will straight away draw out the table that I should use. X, Y, and Z, I'm going to give you the answer. My X is 130 due to time limit. It's okay, I can ask my friend to wait for me. Y is 36 and Z is 48. Okay, now I'm going to use the price index in 2000 and 没有加号就是普通的 group 了。In 2016, based on 2010. I 2016 based on 2010 equals to this 130, 125, and 120. Let me draw out this first. You don't make me nervous. Later I cannot do. This is how many item. And this is my weightage. Item A, B, C, D, is it? Oh no, sorry. So PQR. And the price index in 2016 based on 2010. Just now I told you my X is 130. X 是130 This one you calculate by yourself 了 130, 125, and 120. 130, 125, and 120. And why I want to do this is because the ratio. Look at part B, everybody. 听这边先 please. Given that the items P, Q, and R are sold in the ratio of 5 to N to 3. So for P 是 5, Q 是 N, R 是 3. What to be careful is some of your teacher will change P, R, Q. They will write P, R, Q equals to 5, N, 3. Which means R is N instead of Q is N. Why I know this? Because if I set the question, I will definitely do like that. From 4-1, you still don't know. My hobby is to dig hole. Dig hole, so water to let you jump down. So that in exam, you won't jump, you won't die. Form 5, they experience a lot. They know already. 5 and 3. Summation of WA, total 加起来是多少? Don't scared with unknown. N is just a number. Just like you have N girlfriend, N boyfriend, a number only. 8 plus N, 2 list. Okay, 2 list. 8 plus N, how many 8N? If you write 8N, habis lah cerita. Okay, 5 plus 3 equals to 8. 8 plus N, 8 plus N. Come back to my question. Find the value of N if the composite index of the 3 items in 2016 based on 2010 is 126. Now you are given the composite index. 它给你它的 value. Given that the composite index I bar in 2016 based on 2010 equals to 126. Find what is the value of N. That's why I say you have to do like this every time. If not, you don't know what your teacher wants. Okay? How to do? You write very long one, 很长的, to calculate the value of the formula, summation of IW over summation of W. $130 multiplied by 5 plus 125 multiplied by N plus 120 multiplied by 3 over 5 plus N plus 3. Don't scared with the N. N is just a number. N will not eat you. 你要克服这一个困难。So the one with value, you calculate 130 multiplied by 5 plus 120 multiplied by 3. When I multiply this up, 这个乘起来, I will get 1010 plus 125n multiply over 8 plus n equals to 126. And maths finish. And maths until here. This is your basic. To find the value of n, this is divide. Move to another side. 搬去另外一边, I have 1010 plus 125n equals to 126 multiplied by 8 plus n. And we open up the bracket. 小心的开它. 126 multiplied by 8 equals to 1008 plus 126n. Okay. I want to know the value of n. Thank you, Navinesh. I think your answer is right. 我要找 n. So group everything with n on one side. Left hand side or right hand side, it doesn't matter. 都可以把有 n 的放在一起. n, salah color. N and N, bukan M and M. So let's say I do not want to move this 125N. So I need to move this. This is plus. I move to another side, it becomes minus 126N. Since I move this one, so I cannot move the number. Number 就不可以 move 了. 1008 Yes, Nicholas. Yes, Lucas. Yes. I need to move this to another side. Minus 1010. Negative n equals to negative 2. N equals to 2. Remember, ratio, this value, always a positive number. 永远都是 positive 的。Okay, this one not compulsory. This one not compulsory. This, and this. Yes, and this. And this. 可以 Since never mind lah, I straight away continue finish part C lah. Find the total sales. Total sales. The word total means add up everything, which means we need the information from composite index. Of the 3 items in 2010, if the total sales in 2016 is 9,450, use this information to help you. 2 marks only. But C. The index number in 2016 based on 2014 equals to 126. I am sorry, I need to move. So the price in 2016 is 9,450. And what is the thing that I want? Yeah. So from here, I can write out the price in 2016 based on the price in 2012 multiplied by 100 equals to 126. Price in 2014, substitution, 9,450 over the price in 2012. Again, if you don't know how to calculate, you write out the formula like this, also got marks 1, 也是有分数的。So P2012 is equals to, oh, thank you, 2010. 这个我也写错啊。Thank you. Hey, help 走我这里。Okay 啦，okay 啦。How come today I so kind, huh? Will be equals to cross multiply. Cross multiply. Oh, yes, also, because no one kacau me in class. Very quiet. I no need to say, hello, I am teaching. Hello, don't see your phone. Hello, don't play your phone. 对分 correct. You are right, Sangjun. The price is 7,500 ringgit. Next time do like this, you don't all no need to come physical class. Then we can do more also. Want to do part D? Do you want me to finish part D? Yes. Okay, let me do part D for you. But part A, sorry, part A, I think you should be able to solve it by yourself. You all big liao. Part D, what is the question? But your teacher don't know the question yet. Wait. Tak cukup tempat. Kesian. Can I squeeze a bit? Later only I edit lah. Because I'm in rush also. Like, given that the price of 3 items are expected to increase by 10%, everything increased 10%, which means for P, for Q, and for R, semua increase 10%. Find the composite index for the prices if all the 3 items in 2022 based on 2010. Okay, your lesson here. Actually, this one very, very easy. If listen properly, all of them increased by the same percentage. 如果全部的 percentage 一样 then our life will be easy. Okay, what I want is the composite index in 2022 based on 2010. 我要这个是什么东西 So go back to this. Since everything increases by 10%, then I will say 2022 based on 2000 and 2000 and 2010 Let me see again. Wait a while. 2016 based on 2010 is 126. 2016 based on 2010 is 126. This is from part B. Ignore this. Ignore this. After that, they say, yes, I think I need to drink water now. In 2016 equals to 110. 看这边 Because after 2016, okay, everything increases 10% in 2022. And then what I want, 这个 So how to write? Jason 是谁？哦，难道是 Jason Liu 吗？因为毕竟我有太多个 Jason 了，等下 Jason 跟来夾招咧。Mana Ada say, okay, where got say? Common sense. Because this, from part A to part C, we are comparing between 2016 and 2010. Now, they say it increased to 10% to 2022, and they want 2010. We only got 3 years. 哪里可能2010？他叫你找2022 based on 2010了。Equals to what? It will be equals to very easy. 126. This one if you write out over 100. No. 110 over 100 multiplied by 126 over 100 multiplied by 100. This will be the answer. 138.6. Why, teacher? Why you write like this? I know you are going to ask me. Never mind. Let me tell you. From this, the composite index from 2022 based on 2016. 2022年 based on 2016年的是110. This is the question given in part D. Okay, so we will have the price in 2022 based on the price in 2016 multiplied by 100 equals to 110. That's why I will write 2022 based on 2016 equals to 110 over 100. And the second one, the composite index, remember I say composite index is still price index. 它还是 price index 来的. That's why we have the price index in 2016 based on the price index in 2010 multiplied by 100 equals to 126 over 100. 难道是我的朋友在hon我? Equals to 哎呀，你看啊，跟你姐们讲话。Then now, two thousand and 22 based on 2010, the price index will be 2022 based on 2010 multiplied by 100. So I separate this out. And here we fill in 2016 multiplied by 100. This is the answer. Here you go. This is the answer for part D. Are you okay? I stop recording first.